All right, so we got the 2019 Denali here. I'm going to go ahead and get it racked up, get all the fluids drained out of it, get all the front end torn apart on it. That way I can get the motor out of it. So we got the new LME engine and the stock engine sitting over on some stands. What I need to do is get the valley cover swapped over on the new LME engine, and I also got a front harness I need to get swapped over. After that, all of our other parts are going to be new and replaced. So we got the new LME engine sitting in the truck. What I need to do now is go ahead, get the lower plenum put on it, get the Whipple put on it, start installing all the accessories with the Whipple kit. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and get the radiator, transcooler, condenser, and all that stuff thrown back in the truck, get the front end put on the truck, and then start buttoning up some other stuff. So we need to build a catch can for this truck. We're not going to do your traditional style one that you can buy from Summit or whatever. We're going to actually build one that's going to go in the factory open spot where a dual battery would go if it was like a diesel truck or something like that. The reason we're going to put a catch can on it is with a built motor like this, they're set up a little bit looser so you get a little more blow by and oil vapor coming back through the crankcase. We want to catch all that. We don't want to run that through the motor. So I'm going to go over here, get a can drawn up, we're going to start building it, and I'll get it welded out, and then we'll get it on the truck. Now that the engine's in the truck, I'm going to go ahead and get the exhaust on it. We got some really nice Cook's headers for it with their Y pipe, and we got a nice MagnaFlow catback exhaust we're going to throw on it. So now that we got the engine in and I got the exhaust all on, next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get the suspension lowered and get the brakes put on it.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.